Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about inline functions, part of programming in C++ course. Inline functions in C++ are functions that are expanded inline or directly in place at the point where they are called instead of being used as a separate function call. This can improve performance by reducing the overhead associated with a function. To declare an inline function, you use the inline keyword before the function declaration. The actual implementation of the inline function can appear in the header file or in a separate implementation file. Here is an example of an inline function in C++. In this code, the square function is declared as an inline function using the inline keyword. When the function is called with the a as an argument, the code inside the function is expanded inline. So there is no overhead associated with a function call. The output of the code is the square of 5 is 25. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.